Welcome to Natural Lifestyle Remedies, a channel dedicated to exploring nature's pharmacy. Here, we're all about discovering the wonders that Mother Earth has to offer, unraveling the secrets of natural remedies and their countless benefits. We aim to equip you with knowledge on how to lead a healthier lifestyle using naturally occurring products, right from the comfort of your home. In today's video, we delve into the world of garlic, a common kitchen ingredient with powerful health benefits. Garlic, a powerhouse of nutrients, begins its journey in the body right from the moment of ingestion. As you chew, the cell walls of the garlic are broken down, releasing a compound called allicin. This compound is responsible for the characteristic aroma of garlic and is also a key player in its health benefits. The allicin, along with other nutrients like vitamins B and C, and minerals like selenium and manganese, make their way down to the stomach. Here, the stomach's acidic environment breaks these nutrients down further, maximizing their potential. Next, the nutrients move into the small intestine, where they're absorbed into the bloodstream. It's like a superhighway, swiftly transporting these nutrients to every corner of your body. They reach your cells, delivering their health-boosting properties. So, from that first bite of garlic, a complex and amazing process begins, transforming this humble bulb into a force of nature in your body. As these nutrients circulate in your body, they start to work their magic. Now let's explore what these garlic nutrients do once they are in your system. A powerhouse of medicinal properties, garlic is known for its potent antimicrobial abilities. The compound allicin, released when a garlic clove is crushed, is a natural antibiotic that can combat a variety of infections. It's like having a tiny but mighty warrior in your body, battling against unwanted invaders. Garlic also plays a pivotal role in boosting our immune system. Its rich blend of vitamin C and B6, along with the minerals selenium and manganese, arm our body's defense mechanism, helping us to keep those pesky colds and flus at bay. But that's not all. Garlic has a profound impact on our cardiovascular system. It works in a multifaceted way to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent hardening of the arteries. Imagine it as a diligent janitor, tirelessly cleaning up and maintaining the intricate pathways of our circulatory system. Furthermore, garlic's antioxidant properties support heart health by combating oxidative damage, slowing down the aging process of our heart and arteries. It's like applying an anti-aging cream, but from the inside. Indeed, the humble garlic is a force to be reckoned with when it comes to promoting health. To summarize, eating garlic can provide a wealth of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to promoting heart health, these benefits are truly remarkable. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of garlic. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Remember, a healthier lifestyle is just a garlic clove away.